Hey, welcome back, Sneakerheads. How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Going to give this video a like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. Starting off today, we're doing a Jordan recap and updates. Starting off with the recaps. Released on the 22nd of June with a retail price of 150. The Air Jordans up there. They're still a predominantly white, did not sell out. They're still available, all sizes, at Nike.com and on the sneakers app. So go on and get those sneakerheads.
Yes, sir. Hey, along with that recap, we do have the Jordan 1, the black cement that did come out June 24th. Right now, you can find them on Nike.com or sneaker app, right? They did not sell out. Hey, I say it again, they did not sell out right now. Yeah, they didn't sell out. Men's sizes, right? 7.5 and below available. Like I mentioned earlier on Nike.com, they got women's sizes available, 10.5 and below available as well. And then they got all kids sizes still available. So go ahead and cop those because they are still available.
Remember, this was a full family size release, so as you well know, that these shoes are still setting number one for that high price point. But if you still need some lows for school, back to school, go and pick them up. Sneakerheads. Released on the 30th of June. We all saw this with the retail price of $200. The Jordan 7 white infrared, predominantly a white shoe with the crimson accents, did not sell out. Of course, we knew that. All sizes are still available on Nike.com with the exception of the 12.5. So go on and pick them up if you need them, sneakerheads. So this
Yes.
concludes our recap. Moving on to the updates. Starting off with the Jordan 1 Low women's UNC to Chicago. They did get pushed back to July 22nd. They still are planning to come out with a retail price of $140. Go on to market calendars and get ready to get those in the future if you still want them.
Hey, and tomorrow, hey, here's a friendly reminder to those women twos come out, the Varsity Royal. They do release tomorrow. Asking price for those right now is 150. So check them out.
Finishing off, we have 3 sneaker websites that are now showing that the men's Jordan 2 Low UNC will be dropping alongside the UNC Kids this Saturday, June 8th.
Yes,
However,
sir.
they have not been loaded on the sneaker apps. Just be ready if you want these UNC lows. They might be releasing on Nike.com, so just be prepared, sneakerheads. I know I'll be on the lookout for those. And once I get those in hand, we'll do an unboxing. Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.